Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to be doing some painting. The birdhouse needs to be turned white. Gotta cover up some of the clunks and bubbles in it, and it'll make it look better when it's all one color. I'm not going to be real fussy about the color because it's supposed to represent old barn siding, and I think it does a pretty good job. Looks like the spout stuck to the cap. That's okay. Don't bother anything doing what I'm doing. I think that's got it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.